1000 volts voltage partial discharge using sonic wave meter to easily locate by eyes. Even a kid can use it without difficulty.
Wait for the screen to appear. You can see the picture. Next to it is a frequency. You can choose the frequency color block. Leave it alone at first. Now open a test item. Turn on this 1000 volts ultra small voltage generator. There is a broken leak point on it. Iron box is a natural screen, so it will not cause electric shock to human body. There will form an arc here. There is a sound coming out. You can see yellow sensitive area is large. Swipe blue positioning slider to yellow sensitive area. You can locate this discharge point of the tested object. If you swipe away, blue slider is not in yellow peak area, and the real-time discharge point cannot be seen on the object picture. It's gone, so choose to be in a very high area. You can locate the point. If you think the anchor is jumping, can click here. Here sensitivity is 60, which is 60 by default. If there is a lot of noise on site, can set to 55 to make the positioning more accurate. Here are screenshots. Here is video. Click. You can record what is tested now. Here is the time of video. Click again. The video can be played back. Infrared thermography. Click. Go back first. Plug in the infrared camera first. Infrared thermal imager.
Thanks for watching the tutorial video prepared by HD Yoga Manufacturing.